What's up, guys? Before I get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notification, give us a huge thumbs up. I want to be showing you my slime that I made earlier, but I have to find it first. Oh, here it is. I found my slime I made earlier. Found my slime that I made earlier. Now I'm gonna open it up. See, I made it. So now I'm gonna take it out and play with it. It's hard to get out. There you go. Got it. See, here it is. This is so pretty. I added all these stone beads, glitter in it, and I made this slime. Put it in this container. Okay. My sister said she's leaving. Okay. And this is how you make slime videos. Yo. This is my first channel on YouTube. I got this like 3 days ago. So guys, I'm done with the video. Bye.